So once you've opened Hello World 2, open the SRC folder on your Package Explorer. We're going to be looking at Hello, the Hello package, or rather, excuse me, I should say the Frame package. The Hello package is an old one, but the Frame package is a new package that we've added. So you can see Hello World 2 is nothing more than an update to Hello World from last week. So there's a number of packages that you've seen before, like Analysis, which has some old code, some example code as well given there, data from previously as well. So there's some new old packages, and I put some new packages, specifically Frame and R, that we'll be looking at this week. There's another one called SQL, which we'll look at next week. But for now, we're going to be looking at just the Frame and the R package. Frame is dealing with the Jython integration, that is the Java and Python integration. And if you open the main.py, that is the main application which runs the program. So you will see the code looks quite alien in some ways. It's basically doing a kind of parsing from line 20. This is a parser that is a library that's present that I'm able to load in. It's also using a different set of libraries that are actually Java based to then apply them in code, and we're going to introduce some of those libraries today. So one of the first things you might need to do is to actually get your project referencing the relevant library. So what we might have to do is right-click on Hello World 2 and go to Properties, and there you can basically make sure that you can add to the Python pathway libraries that are in the Hello World 2 package. So you basically just add zip, jar, EGG files. So go ahead and add them. So what you do is go to the frets code, and under frets you'll see under the lib there should be a number of jar files, and you can go ahead and click them. I've already added them in my case, but go ahead and click them in your case to integrate them. We'll also be using other libraries as well, just as an example if you want to, or at least look at it. There's something called stats.jar, which is a statistics library. So unclick the data file, we don't need that, but the stats.jar is another one that we could use. It's actually found, I think, in the analysis or in the data folder, perhaps. But in any case, go ahead and introduce all those libraries into the source folder, Python pathway. So this is under properties.